UT8000E Series 5-digit half-true RMS desktop digital multimeter. Features: high precision 5.5 dual display, excellent reading rate and high definition resolution, multifunction, high precision, automated measurement needs. 4.3-inch TFT LCD display, 109,999 count, 5.5 high resolution. Fast measurement speed, large storage capacity, measuring speed up to 5K reading, 10K reading history record storage. Built-in 1 GB NAND flash total capacity store setting files and data files. With rich mathematical operations. Statistics function. Maximum minimum average. dB display function. Histogram, trend curve, bar chart, column chart. Dual display mode hold measurement. Digital display. Backlit display. Built-in help system help information acquisition. Rich interface configuration.